Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 29th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from PotlatchDeltic. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. PotlatchDeltic, a leading real estate investment trust, has just released its third quarter results for 2024. It's an interesting report, especially given the current economic climate and the challenges in the lumber market.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. PotlatchDeltic reported revenues of $255.1 million for the third quarter of 2024. This is a decrease from $265.5 million in the same quarter last year. John, what are your thoughts on this revenue performance?
While the revenue has slightly decreased, it's important to note that the company is navigating a challenging lumber market. The net income for the quarter was $3.3 million, or 04 cents per diluted share, which is a significant drop from $23.7 million, or 29 cents per share in the third quarter of 2023. This decline is largely due to lower lumber prices and increased costs.
How does this impact their profitability?
The profitability has been impacted, but the company has managed to maintain a positive net income. The total adjusted EBITDA was $45.9 million, with a margin of 18%, which shows that they are still generating solid operational performance despite the headwinds.
Operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives. PotlatchDeltic has completed the expansion and modernization of its Waldo, Arkansas sawmill. How significant is this for the company, John?
This is a major milestone for PotlatchDeltic. The Waldo sawmill expansion is expected to generate an additional $25 million of adjusted EBITDA annually under a mid-cycle sales environment. This positions the mill as a top quartile sawmill, enhancing their production capabilities significantly.
They also repurchased 57,000 shares. What does this indicate about their capital allocation strategy?
The share repurchase, amounting to $2.4 million, reflects their commitment to returning capital to shareholders. With strong liquidity of $460 million, PotlatchDeltic is well positioned to continue such strategic initiatives while maintaining financial flexibility.
Segment performance and market conditions. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did the timberlands, wood products, and real estate segments fare this quarter?
The Timberlands segment saw an increase in adjusted EBITDA to $35.8 million thanks to higher northern harvest volumes. However, the Wood Products segment faced challenges, with a decrease in EBITDA to $9.6 million, primarily due to lower lumber prices and higher manufacturing costs.
And what about the real estate segment?
The real estate segment's EBITDA decreased significantly by $57.8 million from the previous quarter, largely due to the absence of a major rural timberland sale that occurred in Q2. Despite this, they managed to sell 6,548 acres of rural land and 53 residential lots, which contributed positively to their revenues.
Future outlook and CEO insights. Looking ahead, what is PotlatchDeltic's outlook for the future, especially in terms of market conditions?
CEO Eric Kremers expressed optimism about the future, noting that lumber markets are stabilizing as supply and demand align. He also mentioned that expected reductions in interest rates could boost the housing and repair markets, driving demand for their products.
How does this align with their strategic goals?
PotlatchDeltic is focused on being disciplined stewards of shareholder capital, prioritizing long-term value. The completion of the Waldo sawmill project and their strategic capital allocation are key components of their strategy to capitalize on market opportunities as conditions improve.
Key takeaways. In summary, PotlatchDeltic has shown resilience in a challenging market, with strategic initiatives like the Waldo sawmill expansion positioning them for future growth. Despite a dip in revenue and net income, Their strong liquidity and disciplined capital allocation provide a solid foundation for the future.
Absolutely. The company's focus on operational efficiencies and strategic investments is commendable. As market conditions improve, PotlatchDeltic is well positioned to capitalize on new opportunities.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on PotlatchDeltic's performance in the comments below.